What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today's gonna be a little short video on we bought a fuel return system for the black RSX. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera and show you guys what is included in this kit. We got this kit from Humble Proformance. It ran us around 900 bucks. A little pricey, but it has everything you need to hook up the RSX for a return fuel system, because the RSX stock does not come with a fuel return system. So yeah, so I'll go ahead and flip the camera and show you guys what is included in their kit, and then explain on what else we got to purchase to complete the fuel system, to complete everything we need. So I'll go ahead and flip the camera. So for this kit, we went the kit brand is Deechworks. Basically everything is from Deechworks when you buy the kit from Humble Proformance. So I'll go ahead and open this big one and then show you guys what is in there. So basically this is the whole complete fuel pump modular. Comes with a new ring for your gas tank or for your whatever, and then it has everything that you need. Hold on, everything you need to run the return. It's got the, hold on, let me take the wrapper out. Yeah, so here it is. So basically why this kit makes a return is with this line right here. They hook up a fitting to where when the return line comes back in, it's returning fuel back into the system, and then the other one sucks out for the system, which is right here. So this one will go to the car, and this one comes back into the car, so it's a recirculating system. So yeah, so the reason why people do these kits is because, you know, it recirculates. Instead of just going with the RSX when it's OEM, it goes up into the fuel rail, and then when you let off the gas, it backs back out. So you're losing a little bit of that pressure, so when you push the gas again, then you're going back in. So this kit makes it to where it's recirculating. You always have that constant flow of fuel, to where when you let on the throttle, your gas is there, and not like the stock one where it's back and back out. So yeah, so that's why we went with this kit. Plus it's good for having a turbo build. So yeah, so there's that includes that whole thing. It has a Deechworks, or whatever the hell their name is, 400 pump in it. It is good for pump and good for E85 and good for methanol. So pretty good pump. Alright, so we'll move over here. What we got in here, hold on one second. Alright, so what we got in here is basically it's the fuel pressure regulator. This is what all the lines will connect into. So basically you'll have 6 AN on the bottom, and then you'll have all these side ones that are 8 AN. So basically your stock, I think, comes into here. I think I could be wrong. Anyways, I don't know the setup quite yet. I'm still doing a little bit of research on it, but I kind of got the basics of it. And then you'll have an airline that hooks in here. So this is, I'm just gonna basically show you the kit, and then when I go to install it, I'll explain everything else. But yeah, this is the regulator. Comes with the regulator. And then we come over to this little box. This is basically a fuel pressure gauge. Gives you the PSI. So we probably won't be using this one. We're probably going to go with the one from K-Tune that comes with the K-Tune fuel rail, which I'll explain in a minute of what else you need to get for this kit. You need to go ahead and take this, and these are all, this is your return line. So I think it's about 10 feet of return line. This is 6 AN. So the return line will be 6 AN running back into the fuel pump. The line coming out of the fuel pump will be either going 8 or maybe even 10 AN, depending, because we're going to be doing a lot of boost, so we need a lot of fuel. So there's that. This is regulated for E85 and methanol. So it's good lines, and it's braided. And then we come over here to this box. And this will be your fuel filter. So if I get it out. Yeah, this will be your fuel filter. Basically line in, line out, and it'll filter all your fuel. So yeah, so there's that. And then it comes with all the fittings you possibly need to hook all this stuff up. So yeah, so pretty nice kit. So this is what all the kit includes: your fittings, your filter, your lines, your fuel pressure gauge, your regulator, and your modular with the pump already installed, and it's pretty much plug and play from the OEM. And then the ring. So yeah, so this is the Humble Performance kit. I'll go ahead and drop the link in the descriptions if you guys want to check it out. It's for the RSX. You know, it's recommended for, you know, when you're building a car to have that return fuel system. It helps out better. So yeah, so there's the kit. This is the kit that you get from Humble Performance. It's a little bit cheaper if you run with the cheaper lines, or if you're just looking to get the modular and do everything else yourself. It's a little bit cheaper, but we went the route where we got the whole kit. So on that, so the other thing that we're gonna need, we have to buy the fuel rail. We gotta buy that. We gotta buy the AN lines that are gonna run from, not the return part, but the part going to the motor. We need to buy all those lines. So we got those coming from Vibrant. It's a 10. I think my wife got 10 AN. So we're running the 10 AN line from the pump all the way to the regulator, and then from the regulator to the fuel rail. So those will be 10 AN or 8 AN. So yeah, so that's what we got to buy. We got to buy the fuel rail. We got to buy the line and something else. Not thinking right now. Brain fart. Yeah, so we need to buy a fuel line, fuel rail, a couple more other little fittings, and a couple little other fittings to hook up the air part to it. So, and then some, of course, some air lines. So yeah, so that's all I wanted to show was the kit that we got from Humble Performance, what it includes. If you guys want to go that route where everything's there, you don't have to piece nothing together. Of course, it would be cheaper to piece it together yourself, but we just went with the whole kit. So yeah, so when I get everything in, I will go ahead and drop a in-depth video with on how to do all this return system stuff, and hopefully by then I think we should be getting the K-Pro back from Humble Performance too, getting that back so that we can hook everything up, and then for our next track day we can do a run on, you know, the E85 and the K-Pro, you know, make a little bit more power. So yeah, so thank you for watching. A little short video, but thank you for watching, and K all day, subscribe and like. Catch you on the next one.
Your love is true. Your love is real. You're the only